In this video, you'll learn how to duplicate a Notion page. By following these steps, you will create an identical copy of an existing page within your Notion workspace. This is useful for maintaining templates or preserving information while making modifications. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Ensure that you are logged into your account for full functionality. Once the home page loads, you will see your existing pages displayed on the left sidebar. This is the starting point for duplicating any page you desire. Next, locate the option to add a new page. This can typically be found at the bottom of the left sidebar, indicated by a button labeled Add a New Page. Click this button to create a new blank page. This action allows you to start the duplication process from a fresh canvas. After creating a new page, find the three dots icon, often referred to as the More option. This icon is typically situated in the upper right corner of the page. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with additional options related to the current page. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Duplicate. This action will create an exact copy of the current page you're working on. It is essential to ensure that you are duplicating the correct page to avoid any confusion later. Now choose the specific page you want to duplicate from your existing pages. Navigate back to your left sidebar and locate the desired page. Make sure to click on the three dots icon again for this page to access the duplication option. After selecting the three dots for your chosen page, click on Duplicate once more. This will generate a new copy of the selected page, allowing you to work on it without affecting the original content. This feature is particularly beneficial for creating variations of existing pages. Once you have duplicated the page, navigate to the new copy by clicking on it in the sidebar. This will open the duplicated page for your review. It is advisable to check if all the content appears as expected, ensuring that the duplication process was successful. Finally, you may want to review the contents of both the original and duplicators to confirm that they are identical. Click through the elements to ensure that all information is replicated correctly. This verification step is crucial, especially if you plan to make modifications to the duplicated page. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.